Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best mobility scooters you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Triaxe Cruze mobility scooter is an adaptable and portable solution for those needing mobility assistance both indoors and outdoors. Designed for convenience, the scooter's foldable structure enables it to collapse flat in seconds, easily fitting into the trunk of most vehicles without requiring disassembly. This portability makes it ideal for on-the-go lifestyles, allowing users to take the scooter along for shopping trips, events, or travel. The scooter doesn't compromise on comfort or performance. It features a spacious 18-inch seat with a high back, providing excellent support for extended use. A large floor deck adds legroom, while front springs help absorb shocks, ensuring a smoother ride. Powered by a 180-watt rear transaxle motor, the scooter can reach speeds of up to 6 miles per hour. The 24-volt 12-ampere-hour lithium battery provides a range of up to 18 miles on a single charge and complies with FAA guidelines, making it airline-friendly for those who need mobility assistance during flights. Safety and durability are central to the Triaxe Cruze's design. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, it supports up to 350 pounds yet remains lightweight. The solid rubber tires are puncture-resistant, and additional safety features include an electric braking system, LED headlights, a horn, and a battery indicator. Users can also adjust the scooter's speed with the easy-to-use throttle control, and a convenient storage basket holds personal items. Overall, the Triaxe Cruze balances portability, comfort, and safety, making it a versatile choice for users who value mobility without sacrificing performance. The Vive four-wheel is an excellent choice for those seeking a comfortable, stable, and versatile mobility solution that suits both indoor and outdoor use. Known for its reliability and ease of use, the scooter provides a smooth and secure ride, supporting up to 265 pounds. Its 4 flat-free non-marking 8-inch tires ensure stability and durability, allowing users to easily navigate various terrains and handle inclines up to 6 degrees. With a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, users can control their speed using a variable dial, which enhances safety and control. The scooter is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring a padded 15-inch seat that swivels for easy boarding and exiting. The seat height is adjustable with a simple lever, and the scooter includes padded armrests that can be flipped up for convenience. For those needing a longer range, the Vive scooter's battery offers up to 12 miles per charge and recharges easily with its offboard charger. Designed for portability, the scooter disassembles into 4 pieces, with the heaviest part weighing only 29 pounds, making it easy to transport in a standard vehicle. Additional safety features include LED headlights, a horn, electronic brakes, and anti-rollover wheels. The intuitive control panel allows easy access to speed control, forward and reverse options, and a battery life indicator. TSA approved, this scooter is also convenient for air travel, providing a dependable solution for users who require mobility assistance on the go. Combining comfort, safety, and easy transport, the Vive four-wheel is a reliable and popular option for enhanced mobility. The SuperHandy Passport is an innovative, lightweight, and portable 3-wheel scooter designed specifically for adults looking for easy mobility. Weighing just 35 pounds, the scooter is incredibly light, making it simple to lift, fold, and transport. This compact design is perfect for those who need a travel-friendly solution, as the scooter folds down to a manageable size for storage or travel, including air travel. Powered by 248-volt 2-ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, it delivers a range of up to 13 miles on a single charge, enabling users to enjoy extended mobility without frequent recharging. The batteries are also removable and recharge fully within just 1.5 hours, offering quick turnaround times. The scooter provides a comfortable riding experience with its padded seat, adjustable height, and padded armrests. A front basket offers storage for personal items, enhancing convenience on the go. Built for safety, the scooter includes a fast-acting drum brake system for secure stopping power. Constructed from durable high-grade aluminum, it supports up to 275 pounds, and its powerful brushless hub motor is optimized for reliable performance on flat surfaces indoors and outdoors. Overall, the SuperHandy Passport stands out as an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable, portable, and user-friendly mobility solution for everyday use and travel. The Lagtom 4-wheel is a powerful and heavy-duty mobility scooter designed for seniors and adults who need enhanced support and range for both everyday and travel use. With an impressive 500 pounds weight capacity, it's ideal for handling larger loads and navigating various terrains. This scooter boasts an 800-watt motor, providing the strength to tackle inclines up to 20 degrees and rough surfaces, while reaching speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. Equipped with a high-capacity 60-volt 20-ampere-hour lead-acid battery, it offers a substantial range of 25 to 31 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for extended trips. Built for comfort, the scooter features a wide adjustable captain's seat with padded armrests and a reclining back. Its 14-inch front and 16-inch rear tires, along with 6 inches of ground clearance, contribute to a smooth ride on uneven surfaces. For safety and visibility, it includes LED headlights, rear lights, turn signals, and dual mirrors. The scooter's full suspension system, including independent front suspension, shock absorbers, and 4 drum brakes, ensure stability and reliability, while anti-tip wheels add extra safety. Convenience is also emphasized with a user-friendly control panel featuring 3 speed settings, 4, 8, and 15 miles per hour, and essential controls like battery monitoring, lighting, and horn. The scooter provides ample storage with a rear lockable box, under-seat compartments, and a large rear basket for belongings. Overall, the Lagtom 4-wheel offers a robust and feature-rich option for those needing a versatile durable mobility solution for all-terrain use. The Pride Mobility Go-Go Sport is a highly portable and user-friendly travel scooter, ideal for those needing mobility support without sacrificing convenience. This compact scooter is designed to disassemble into 5 lightweight pieces, allowing easy transport and storage, making it a popular choice for both everyday use and travel. Its compact design includes a tight turning radius of 36 inches, which provides excellent maneuverability in small spaces, whether indoors or outdoors. Built for reliable performance, the Pride Mobility Go-Go Sport features a powerful motor capable of reaching a top speed of 4.7 miles per hour. Equipped with 2 12-volt batteries, it offers a substantial range of up to 12 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for longer outings. The scooter supports a weight capacity of up to 325 pounds, accommodating a wide range of users. For comfort, it includes an ergonomic wraparound tiller and a cushioned, adjustable seat with armrests, making extended use more enjoyable. Safety features are also prioritized, with a bright LED headlight for visibility and non-marking tires that prevent scuffing on indoor surfaces. Convenient additions, like a storage basket and an accessible charger port on the tiller, add practicality to its design. Overall, the Pride Mobility Go-Go Sport is a durable and versatile option, providing a blend of portability, comfort, and power for those seeking a dependable mobility solution for both indoor and outdoor environments.